I managed to take my bus in today, so we'll see what they say. I'm just walking from here to my car, which is about 5 miles away. One of those days I'm glad I actually still have my car and I haven't sold it yet. But at the same time, I realize I could probably rent a car for a month or two, considering how much I pay for financing and insurance and all that good stuff. It is times like these that I kind of wonder whether the bus is actually the best vehicle for me. It seems like when I'm using it, I have a pretty much catastrophic breakdown every couple of months. And I don't really have a good way of working on it, so I'm just kind of at the mercy of the shop. And so then, it'll be another month before I actually get it back again. That just seems to be kind of the pattern with it. At the same time, I do realize that a lot of the problems that it's having are things that you really only fix once every, like 200,000 miles. And it's just, a little bit over 200,000 miles. So once a lot of these repairs are made, there shouldn't be anything too major, unless the transmission goes out, which let's hope that doesn't happen. On the plus side, I get to go on these long, beautiful walks on these paths that I probably wouldn't have even found if I was just using my car. Looks like this walk is actually going to be more like 8 miles. For some reason I thought it was 5, but just checked again and it's going to be more like 8, which is perfectly okay. Well, I seem to be in a lesser used part of the trail here. The sign back there said that this area regularly gets inundated with water. Not much of an issue right now with everything being so dry. Still, this is way better than taking the bus. So apparently on the other side of those trees over there is the Skagit River. It's always fun being so close to a river like that and you can't even see it. It looks like this trail I'm on right now used to be an old railroad track or something. It's a nice trail. Trying out various image stabilization settings on my camera here. So in case you're wondering what's going on with all the strangely smooth but not quite right image stabilization settings, that's what's going on. According to my GPS, I have about 2 miles to go and it's saying that should take about an hour, but hopefully I can walk at more than 2 miles an hour. So I think I have about half an hour left, something like that. I knew I was right near the river, and let me show you. I made it to the storage unit finally, and I have my car here. We'll see if it starts. I don't know if it's dead because I haven't driven it in I think 2 months now. So the battery could be dead, which could be a problem, but there's a gas station across the street, so maybe they can help me out somehow. Well, it started. It was a little bit slow. Definitely didn't sound quite right when it started up. I'm not sure quite what was wrong, but it's running now. And yeah, that just smooths out a lot. I don't know what that was about. Looks like I need some fuel anyways, so I'll put some fuel. I think it needs a little bit of oil, and I'm back in my car again.